Hey people, now this is what I've been using for my thing. You know, I have a nail first ready to stick in there. I have a hammer with me. You have a hammer and nails. Okay. First you hammer it in. So I got the nail in mower, but I'm just trying to show y'all here that I'm trying to get that in. See? Bam! It's in the board. There you go. Got your first nail in. Let's get your second. The bag of nails up here. Thing. And put a bag of nail right there. And everything. And stick it right up in there. That nail, 3 inches long nail. First, I'm gonna get a little head start to put the nail in there so I can hold you at the same time. Okay. Sorry about that, but we've got others up in the board nailed in, which I did that. So you take it first, you don't just go back all the way with the hammer. First you start with a little light so you get the hammer hitting. It's a spark. See? Practicing my nail shooting. Perfect, it's in the board now. See? Drop the hammer. There you go. Nice and strong board. You can't even pull it out of its nails. Now there we go, people. Not hard at all. You can just nail those nails in the board. Have a good life. Have a great time. Have a good summer. Have a great time. Bye.